So guys, today I'm going to take you through a story on how to get into the BIOS of an HP computer. So the computer is on. We'll restart it. Just restart. Don't shut it down, because even shutting will do bad. I want us to restart the computer. Yeah, there. So you restart. As you can see, it is restarting. Wait a minute, and then it will updating. Don't turn off your computer. It has gotten an update. Don't know how long it's going to take, but I think we'll now when it is starting, you press escape. You'll see it has gone to the BIOS. We have the system here. You have the system information. You have the system diagnostics, boot device options, BIOS setup, system recovery. Now we want to go to the BIOS setup, which is, we now press F10. We press F10. Function 10, it's here. You press F10, it will take you to the BIOS. Now in the BIOS, what you want to do is to set up the defaults. And to set up the defaults, as you can see in the BIOS, this is what you should expect. System date, like that, total memory, BIOS version, BIOS vendor, serial of number, all of that. Now we want to restore the defaults. And to restore the defaults, as you can see, you are supposed to press F9. You press F9, it will load setup defaults. You press enter. Enter. Yes, it shall have set everything into default. Now we exit by pressing F10, which is to save the settings which we have done, and exit. It will exit. We press here, enter, and now our computer has been restored the BIOS settings. Thank you and welcome next time. Please don't forget to subscribe.